Alright guys, so yesterday we had a pretty big correction across the whole entire market, including MANEKI. Guys, check this out. If you check my last two videos that I've posted, I did mention here are the most important areas for a reaccumulation, and if you see a breakdown below this one right over here, then we should be expecting further pullback to around about these levels over here. As we can see right now, we could possibly drop down even further to around about this level here, but that also largely depends on what happens with BTC, because if you see a correction or what we see a sideways action for the longest, if we dip any further down, that also have an impact on the rest of the space, especially with meme, because ultimately it affects meme by more than your average percent. Let's say, for example, if BTC drops down by 5%, we might see a 10-20% correction within meme space, hence why we saw MANEKI drop all the way down as it has done right over here. And wow guys, this is an amazing opportunity to get in, because ultimately I am super bullish on this project and I can quite easily see a 10x coming from MANEKI. And if you are interested or you're holding the portfolio, guys, let me know in the comments, because I reckon we can easily see more than 10x for this project. Either way guys, I'm putting this one on red alert because now is a great buying opportunity. So if you missed this run over here, this could be a second opportunity right now in order for you to capitalize on this dip and start scooping up as much as possible. So yes guys, that is for MANEKI. I'm super bullish. I still reckon we can easily do more than 10x, because if you look at the current market cap, it's at 102 mil, easily 10x, maybe 20x or 30. But if you check out the rest of this space right now, what we're experiencing, everything is actually red. Even all the tokens mentioned today is going to be in red as well. The only two tokens within my favorites are in fact Book of AI, MEOW and Wojak. Wojak is in fact up by 11%. Guys, this could be the moment where Wojak could come alive, because currently with Wojak, it's been sitting on the sidelines for the longest and is one of the last ones to even rip the charts, and I reckon that will happen imminently because of the market cap is super tiny. Either way guys, let's not focus too much about my favorite list, and the next one is going to be Kitty. Guys, this is the perfect opportunity for all of us to get in. My gosh guys, check this out. The market cap is at 9.75 mil, which means we can quite easily put the market cap at 97 million. 100x from here, it put the market cap at 970 million, and then at 1000x it will put the market cap at 9.7 billion. Guys, this is a massive play. I am super bullish on this project. If you missed this right over here, guys, fear not, this is now the perfect opportunity to get in. Even if we see a little bit more dip or a correction, guys, don't be fearful. This is an amazing chance for you to get in, because if you take a look at the overall look at the chart, and I don't want to make it into a proper like TA or anything, if you'd like to get more TA and etc., just head over towards my YouTube channel, and then if you find my membership tab, you can hit on my membership tab in order for you to see videos coming up from Monday. So this Monday coming up, we will see a lot more action going on within my private membership group over here, which will be even less than my Patreon. So guys, if you are interested, jump onto this one and we will most definitely be able to show you how to do more technical analysis, but in the friendly format, so it's easy for everyone to understand. So you will learn how to quite easily to get into any particular trade and hold for the longest. But overall guys, taking a look at the chart, it looks like this is the second chance for us to get in, because if you missed this one here, that's fine. If you missed that one there, that's also fine guys, because we made this crazy move, run, or should I say run to the upside. And right now, this is the third opportunity in order for us to see this lovely move from where we're currently at all the way to the top, because this move right over here, it gives you more than 160% move to the upside. Oh, actually, let me just let me just double check that. So for me today, it will give you an easy over 170% move to the upside, and once we break the all-time highs, guys, we will see a humongous move coming in for this one. That's why I reckon this will be one of the best cap memes, should I say, in this space, with a pretty decent sized market cap. You know, there's volume in it, you know, there's a lot more opportunities where we can make some serious gains from this project. Either way guys, I'm just putting this one out as well. You can go to my info section and find out all the information. Whilst we are in a massive correction and experiencing a lot of reds across the whole entire market. But anyway guys, if you're looking for a great opportunity for a passive staking income, then you definitely want to go to Cryptonomy. It's a venture fund trading organization and a crypto credit company, and it's a staking platform, and you can also participate in their launch pool, which is tied to the company's ventures operations. Now I'm going to quickly show you on how you can use their staking pool. Guys, it is extremely easy. It is much like most of your exchanges on how you can participate in any of these stake pools. It's quite easy. You can just go to your wallet and you can deposit into any of these coins. What I do like about Cryptonomy is the fact that you have so much options. You have a lot of options. You have Pepe, Casper, Luvian. You have a lot of these coins which you don't really see from most other platforms, because guys, this is amazing. I used to stake a lot, especially on Binance when I first started off, and Binance does have quite a decent range of the coins where you can stake, whereas with Cryptonomy you have a lot more options. And if you check on the APY guys, you can still make quite a decent returns. So if you are used to staking but you only wished you had a lot more options, then Cryptonomy is definitely one of them. Check this out guys, you could also stake Floki over here. Freaking hell, if you want to stake your memes, I would say Cryptonomy is definitely one that it is absolutely worth doing, because I'm also been staking here for a little while now, and with my stakes guys, look at this, my balance is definitely been increasing. So that's why I really do enjoy using this platform. I used to use Binance, but right now I'm actually favoring Cryptonomy because it gives me a lot more meme options, because I do believe that this is the meme season. And if I'm not trading guys, then I'll simply go over here, for instance, go into my wallet, select which meme coins I want to stake. I'll stake for a while to see a passive income. So as you can see guys, this is some great opportunities for all of us to be able to make some passive income, including myself. Now, just to give an example, I'm going to show you how you can use this. Firstly, of course, sign up to their website, connect to their wallet. Let's say, for example, you just select on Doge, then you can quite easily deposit your Dogecoin in here, for instance. So as you can see guys, we have some great opportunities here to be able to make some passive income by using this platform, and you can earn easily over up to 105%. Right guys, so let's say for example that you selected any of these tokens over here. So as you can see guys, I have already deposited my Pepe right over here. So far I've got a pretty healthy balance of $6,000. And then once you deposited your chosen coins, all you got to do guys, go into your interest account right up here, and then you have three different options over here. The first one is a flexible option. As you can currently see guys, I'm currently staking Pepe on this platform, and you can see I've deposited my Pepe coins only after you deposited your chosen crypto. And as you can see, we do have some different pools that are available to us right up here, and this is how you make your passive income. Because just give an example, the flexible, which we're currently on right now, let's say you want to stake BTC for example, you will receive a 24.72% APR, which is pretty decent guys. All you have to do is quite literally come in here, or let's say in my case, I want to go to deposit Pepe. I'll just click here, and as soon as I click there, I get to add the amount that I would like to stake, or put the max stake. As we can see here, we'll show you all the information that you have on your account. Here is my total balance of my Pepe, and the minimum amount of deposits, and the minimum amount that I need to participate in risk. I need to deposit a minimum of 7,761,805 Pepe coins in order for me to participate to receive my 28.56 deposit. Guys, this is pretty easy. But if we go for the fixed one instead guys, rather than flexible, you can see that it says it right here. If I decide to change my mind that I don't want to be doing a flexible, but I prefer doing a fixed one because I want to earn even more APR, that would be at 57.69%. then all I've got to do is just quite easily cancel this one, head over to my fixed over here instead. Then I'll go search for my Pepe, and I can deposit Pepe into this pool right over here, and then I can get my nice juicy APR rewards of 172. And as we can see, for my available balance is greater than this. All I got to do is put in the amount that I want here, or click on max like so. Then I can just continue, and I can just hit the button continue, and that way I'll be earning nice juicy passive income of 28.54% APR. It's really as simple as that. Now that is for this pool right over here. Now if you head over to the fixed one, the fixed pool, you will get a little bit more, of course. So if you go ahead down and look for Pepe again, and let's say I would like to deposit my Pepe, and it says here the minimum required is the same as the flexible pool. But if you see here, guys, you could choose any of these interest rates and period of locking up in order for you to get these juicy rewards right over here, guys. So for the first, if you just go for 1 month, you only get 1.53%. If you go for the maximum of 12 months, you'll be receiving a 86.25%, but you get the gist. So I've just demonstrated to you how easy it is for you to firstly go to your wallet to deposit Pepe. For example, in my case, you can go for these 3 options. For the flexible staking, you can go for the fixed, which is a lot more higher rates, and you can also participate in their launch pool. So guys, there you have it. So I've just demonstrated to you how you can quite easily go to your wallet, deposit the coins that you want, and then if you head over to your interest account, then you can find the coins that you've deposited. Then you can choose either your flexible or the fixed rate. You can either go to your flexible pool or your fixed pool, find the token that you deposited, and you can start earning some nice juicy rates over here. And guys, this is absolutely crazy. I don't think I came across any other platforms where you can get a huge, this is astronomical APY on memes, just like what I'm earning right now for Pepe. It's earning me a pretty decent amount, and I'm continuing to earn. It is also quite important that whenever you trade, you don't use all of your funds. Let's say, for example, that you are playing with a $10,000 account. You don't particularly want to trade all $10,000 in your day-to-day trading. This is not financial advice, guys. Let's say if you are looking to trade into memes and you want to get just crazy returns. Let's say, hypothetically speaking, guys, if you were to have a $10,000 account and you want to trade with that $10,000, what I would do, this is not an advice, I would use at least half, I would allocate half of my portfolio into trading, like this, for example, like on Roaring Kitty, where I would use the other half for staking pool in order for me to be able to earn some juicy rewards, like up to 172% APY for the year. That way, guys, even at my other half of my portfolio will be earning nice juicy APY and APR rewards from Cryptonomy. Whereas by using my other half to trade, such as Kitty, to also reward my daily or weekly trading rewards. It is also important to diversify your account so you have a portion for your locked up stake, so you could be earning a nice juicy rewards. Whereas on your other half is where you do like this, guys, so where you're looking to find meme tokens that you like to get in, make your profit, and then you can reallocate your profit to maybe, or if you're super bullish on a project such as the ones I'm talking about today, like your Roaring Kitty, then my gosh, guys, this is a fantastic opportunity for all of us to get in to make these juicy rewards. But anyway, guys, that's Cryptonomy for you. And guys, this is amazing. I'm still using this platform to make me a nice juicy passive income. You can use my link, which is in the description. So guys, so there you have it. I'm using a portion of my trading portfolio to also do staking. That's how I became successful in the last bull market. I will leave my link within the info section of this video and pinned to the top comments of this video. So guys, have a look, see what you think. Definitely check out their options, definitely go through and check if they do have your tokens, within their staking pools. If they do, then guys, it might be actually worth for you to do some research and check it out. Look at that, even Gala, FTM, this Sui, guys, I'm telling you, I'm just super happy that they actually have a lot more options for your staking options. Either way, guys, I've been digressing and talking about Cryptonomy, but also I'd like to give a shout out to Cryptonomy for sponsoring this video. So why don't we crack on with the rest of the video? So guys, this will be an amazing opportunity for you all to actually get in if you missed these waves over here for Roaring Kitty. I reckon this would be the final opportunity for us to be able to get into Kitty, because if we miss this ride and we do blast away above this highs over here, then the next highs will be the last all-time highs. And if we do crack this level, then guys, we are going to be on the verge of climbing our way up to that potential 100x and maybe even 1000x. You let me know in the comments, guys, if you are super bullish on Kitty. So let's crack on with the rest of the video and jump into BOOM, as in Book of AI MEOW. Book of AI MEOW, guys, look at that. The market cap is steadily increasing. It's at 2.48 million. This is amazing. Wow, check this out. All right, guys, so it looks like we have broken above from this long rectangular box, and it looks like that we are on the verge of retesting these levels of up here at 0.003, and the current price is at 0.0024. Oh my days, guys, this could be a start of something great for this project as well, because from here to there we're still about 28%, we're still about 24% move away from this level right up here. And once we smash through that, we're going to take another crack at the all-time highs, and then we're going to continue our way to the top. Now this could be a fantastic opportunity for you guys to get in, because it's super early on this project and I can see some humongous gains coming in for this one. Just imagine this, guys. A 2.5 million market cap, that is ultra tiny, because if we were to go only just 10x from here, it would put the market cap at 25 million. If we then do a 100x, it put the market cap at 250 million, and then if we do that 1000x from here, it put the market cap at 2.5 mil. My gosh, guys, this is super tiny and definitely worth getting into. It's not financial advice, just look at the chart, guys. This is a super healthy chart, and it's pretty much brand new meme with a strong social presence as well. So go check it out, do your own research. I'm just putting out to you some of the coins that I reckon it's going to do absolutely fantastic. Now let's head over to Game, because I reckon Game's going to be doing also as brilliant, because the current market cap is at $106 million. And look at the chart, this is also extremely juicy. It's actually screaming out to say, hey guys, if you don't want to miss this ride, you want to be getting in to this move right now, because if you guys have missed this move right over here, then if you miss this one over here, this is your final opportunity to get in right up here. And this one here, guys, could be the last one before we ever see these sort of prices, at least during a bull season anyway. In a bear season, we might come even further down. Let me just center the chart and minimize it slightly, or zoom out slightly. So guys, look at that. If you missed this one, that's absolutely fine. Well, I can't say absolutely fine, but if you missed that, you missed out. Over here is your second crack to get into that move. And now ultimately, if you missed this parabolic move to the upside, guys, don't worry about that at all, because the reason why we've made this insane pullback, this is because if we zoom in slightly or a little bit more, this area here is perfect to get in. If you checked my last video, guys, on my last video I did say that we do need to see a retracement over here for possibly a re-entry for an opportunity of a lifetime, because I reckon we can still quite easily make 10x on this one or even higher. And this will be a fantastic opportunity for all of us to get in if you want to see that disgusting rip to the upside. I'm just showing you exactly what I see and pointing at the areas that are so significant for us to get in. We could even roll back down slightly to a lower low around about over here. Area over here is this area here, I would say, is like the last opportunities for us to get in before we blast our way to the top. In fact, I'll be looking to add a lot more of my bags over here right now, because ultimately I can see us climbing back up to this level here, and then we're going to take another crack smashing this high and continue to make a higher highs. Anyway guys, I'm going to leave the video there. Hopefully you find it useful and informative. Go into my pin section if you'd like to make some crazy APR or APY, depending what you'd like to go for, a flexible or a fixed staking pool on Cryptonomy. And yes guys, that is the end of the video. And if you found my video useful and informative, then do me a favor, give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications to be updated with all my latest content and videos. And if you haven't done so already, head over towards my YouTube channel, subscribe, hit the bell notification, check out my last few videos, include the ones we've spoken about today. Go check out my yesterday's video where I talked about Game, Rolling Kitty, and Book of AI MEOW, this one over here.